Welcome to this tutorial on how to utilize the Procurement Workbench module. To access the module, navigate to Marketplace and click on Procurement Workbench. Firstly, under Buy Now, you will see your favorite products and you have the ability to create a quote or an order. Secondly, under Open Product Requests, you will see the list of all your special quotes or price requests that have been raised and track their statuses accordingly. And at the same time, having ability to raise new price requests if needed. Additionally, under Transaction in Progress, you can get visibility over all your ongoing transactions, such as quotes, orders, invoices, as well as view orders that requires approval in case you have set up a purchase approval workflow within the platform. Lastly, you can also get visibility over your historical purchases and view them based on the available timeframes. Whatever your needs, the client portal can help you streamline your interactions. Thank you for watching.